Today is going to be my longest stretch so far ever sailed. If I get to my destination, it's just over 50 kilometers to my next spot that I want to go, and it is crossing the Georgia Strait, which when weather is not good can apparently be very gnarly, and that is why I timed it for today and pushed for it before the cold front comes in. And then I'll probably just motor sail, so I just need to quickly check my fuel, fill my tank up, because estimations on my app says I will need about 28 liters of fuel, and my tank is 25, but I've got spare fuel with me. I'm also starting to smell a bit. Day 3. And some anxiety sweat maybe. But not too bad. So I'm starting my day with a very misty morning. 30 minutes later than I aimed for, but it is wind still completely, and just navigating my way through this little pass along the docks and then into the open for the Georgia Strait. So it seems like there I'm gonna go into the first cloud of mist as I go around the corner. Bit of a break in the mist, but you can't see much. It's insane. Wow, this is quite surreal. I looked down for one moment to set my autopilot, and as I looked up, there was a big red boat like coming quite quickly and then turned. Yes, people asking me maybe something. Shame, so this couple that I just saw, they're lost in the mist. I'm not sure how to use navionics, so I'm quickly gonna see if I can help them.
Oh, that's all right.
No,
not really.
I don't think so. I think we're gonna go, shore is gonna be on our east side. There is a shore there as well, and we're going out into the open. There's a channel here, and then we're going to go up the coast and then across.
But you know where the ferry?
The ferry.
Fair wind.
Fair wind.
Yeah.
The Nanube.
Oh, fair wind.
Nanube.
No, I don't know.
Hatfield.
Hatfield.
Fenquit. You know Fenquit?
I know very little of here. I'm very new to it.
Okay.
It's my first time here today.
Okay, so we follow you a little bit, and we found something. We say hi and thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay.
All the best and good luck.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank you very
Stay
much.
safe. Hey.
You go by yourself with that boat? With the big boat like that?
Yes, my first time.
Oh, your first time?
Yeah, so I'm also scared and cautious. But it's good. It's exciting.
Like a gun, you're old and your bones are upset. Get tired, stop the clock, make some tea, go for a walk, talk to people you don't know at the store. All I want is you, but I don't know what to do, 'cause my feelings, they change by the hour. All I need is a break from all of my pain and all my mistakes, and a lover who believes in my heart. Sky when it's blue, smell the grass when it's new, hear the wind don't know what to do, 'cause my feelings ain't changed.
It seems like my depth finder can't go deeper than 200 meters. It's like more than 200 meters deep down here.
To break all of my pain and all my mistakes.
So I don't want to drop a camera here.
Once you were young, you had fun like a gun. Just remember that you did what you want.
So I'm seeing my destination ahead of me, I think. The Skidi Island. It's actually been like a very beautiful cruise so far. There's a couple of times it was just like so misty and thick that it completely messed with my mind. Like it felt like I was sailing in circles, because I think the angle of the water, the waves or the little chop that comes, it feels like the boat is turning all the time. It seems like with the thick mist, my GPS sometimes drops, and I was trying to hand steer with the tiller, and I would just check when the GPS pops on, I'm completely wrong direction, and then I realized, oh, I've got a compass on the boat, let me start following the compass. And then I set the autopilot, which also has a compass inside, and I just started trusting the autopilot and the actual floating compass. But it was such an interesting thing to experience, is where you just feel you can proper get lost. And one need to stay on the lookout for things floating. Like there's something floating, and there's a big log. I should probably get back to the helm and maybe just void course. That's not a big one, but it's good to avoid that for my propeller. But when the mist is so thick, you only see stuff once it's very, very close. check these little hideouts. So I quickly stopped and asked some advice here at that red boat, because I saw them this morning as I went out from Nanaimo in the mist. And their advice is to not be on a mooring pin. If it is exposed, try to find a better spot. And then also that a spot like this is probably not ideal. So I'm going to move past to the mooring pin tonight, and then tomorrow see if there is an alternative that I feel is better, then try and hide in there, get somewhere that feels safe from southeast for Thursday strong blow. I've got sad news. I just lost my drone because I was a rookie again. I was cruising a really slow speed, a little bit slower than now even, but I think because I've just been moving the whole day at this similar speed, even though it was even slower because I wanted the revs down to just have it calm, but I wasn't thinking, I'm still moving. And as I launched the drone, it just and I thought like something is wrong, and my base reaction was to reach out for the drone, and then it clipped my finger, the blade, and it fell into the water 35 meters down. I could just see, there it goes. What a rookie. Now I don't have a drone, and this location needs a drone. Rookie. I've just hooked onto a mooring ball over here, and now I'm just quickly gonna go and explore Scotty Bay, which is like a thin little narrow ball that goes in there around the corner, to just see if that's maybe a potential anchorage for if the storm picks up from this side, because it's quite open, so the southeaster will just like blow straight into here. I need to dry my things, because a lot of my things are wet and it just doesn't dry. So it's gonna be good to have a little bit of a fire to dry my things. I'm tired. It was a long day. 8 hours of sailing, and then scouting more. Another hour and a half of scouting for other spots with the dinghy. Now I'm gonna edit, eat something, and rest. This probably won't make it into the video, This is the actual reality of the situation. My clothes are getting dry. Very nice and cozy in here. I'm loving the suit.